Hey, Elaine from Sweet Stampin' here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this card using the Oh Holy Night suite. Here is my 3D star Oh Holy Night card using the Oh Holy Night suite, which includes 2 bundles, so it's a mega suite. The first one is Night Divine with this lovely nativity scene, and the second one is a hybrid embossing folder bundle where you can use the dies to cut while you're embossing the 3 stars out. So you just place your dies on the side with the Stampin' Up logo and you move them around until you feel them fit. And they'll fit in there and they won't move. And then you place your paper down and it'll cut and emboss the whole paper and cut out the 3 stars. So really amazing hybrid folder. And then there are many other dies that go along with it, other star dies. And this die is really cool. It cuts out the star and all the holes around it. So it kind of has this halo effect. And then this label die right here that I've used on the card as well. Oh, and don't forget the stamp set. Pretty Star and Merry Christmas, Best and Brightest. Very nice font. So these are really great bundles. There is also the Night of Navy glitter ribbon. This is pretty amazing. I love that it's sheer and you can see all that gold glitter on it. Now these items are no longer available, but I wanted to show them to you. You could use substitute items for the star trinkets and for the designer series papers. But on this card, I haven't used any of those things, so you won't need them for this card. So for this card, I started off with a tent fold, a hot dog fold, which is 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2 and folded in half. And then I embossed a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of boho blue. So card base is Night of Navy, and then we have boho blue. And then I have also used a piece of basic white. I cut out the circle using the largest Stylish Shapes circle first and then embossed it. Because if you emboss first and then cut, when you cut, it will flatten all of your embossed images and you don't want that. So it's better to cut and then emboss. So this is going to go on dimensionals on top. I have also used the gold foil to cut out the star in the middle here. I've also used the More Dazzle specialty paper that's in the annual catalog on page 127 to cut out another star. And I want to make these 2 points smaller to match these points. So what I did is I used the die. So I use the die as a guide and I just trim this excess off the top and then I'm going to trim that again. I'm going to do the other side and then I'm going to reshape it to make it thinner so it matches the other sides. And both of these will go on dimensionals and I will just offset them so that you can see that pretty gold behind the pretty glitter gold behind the gold foil. All right, now I'm going to emboss this sentiment. So I'm just using a scrap piece of paper and I'm using the embossing buddy on it to take off any oils or fingerprints from my fingers when I was handling the cardstock. And I have re-inked my Versamark pad so it's nice and juicy. And I'm going to see if this will fit this way. Not quite. So we'll do this way. And then you want to quickly get the embossing powder on there. And just see if you need any more. And then you can move everything off to this side while you heat it up. Now I'm going to use this die to cut this out. And here we have this cut out. We're going to put it on dimensionals and put some of these gold sequins on there. These are the neutral sequins, and that will finish the card. And that is my 3D star card using the Oh Holy Night suite. Get my Oh Holy Night class for just $5 shipping when you place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit.